Good morning, dear student. Class 6 exercise 1.1 till question 4 we have discussed. Now today question number 5. How many 8 digit number in all? Try and solve it. See how we will solve. In previous class I have told you, first you write the greatest 8 digit number. A digit is given here, how many? 8. First you write 8 digit greatest number. The 8 digit greatest number, which is the larger digit, is 9. You write it 8 times. There we have written 8 times. Now you write smallest 8 digit number. Smallest 8 digit number, 1 digit smallest number is 0 or 1. First you write 1, then after you write 0. In the left side you write 1 and right side you mention there 0 till 7 places. This is your smallest 8 digit number. Then after you need to find how many 8 digit number are possible. How many 8 digit number you can write, 8 digit number. How you find? You just do it difference of these two numbers, then you add the 1. Difference of these two number, subtract this value, greatest value minus smallest value, and add 1. After that you will get this. Next, use the digit 160 and 5 to build the greatest and smallest 7 digit number. We have to build smallest 7 digit number. How we can build? We have to use only these digits, and in question there is mentioned we can repeat digits. Okay, now see how we will do this. If we are writing greatest 7 digit number, which digit we can repeat here? In greatest 7 digit number, in these digits are given here, 6 is the greatest number. If 6 is greatest number, it means we repeat it. Okay, how many times it repeat? So there are the how many number is left? 1 2 3 digits left. First you mention the 3 digit and write in a like a way that is that they form greatest number. First you write 5 1 0. This is a 3 digit greatest number using these 3 digit. Then after you write 6 6 6 6. Now this is your 7 digit greatest number. Similarly, now you want to write 7 digit smallest number. How you can write smallest number? The smallest digit here 0 1, which is 0 you count right on 7th place in this place, because then its digit value will be less. Okay, so you have to write here first 1. If you have write here 1, then after you write here 0 0 0 0 till here the 5 places we have completed. Now the 2 places left, so then you write here first 5 then 6. Suppose you are giving the 1 2 digit 1 and 2 to form a 2 digit smallest number. What is 2 digit smallest number? 12. And what is the greatest 2 digit number? 21. What you have done? You have just changed the order of the digits and according to your requirement. Okay, if you want to write a smallest number, then you write the digit in ascending order. You see here we have write here the digits in ascending order except 0. We can't put the except on the first place. Okay, that's fine. And if you want to write the 7 digit greatest number, then you write here the all the digits in descending order. First you see here 6 6 6 6, then after 5 1 0. Okay, similarly you can do the sixth question. The sixth question is for your homework. Now write the greatest number taking each digit only once. This how you can do this. This is also very simple problem, but here one thing is mentioned that no digit repeated in a number. It means here you can't repeat any digit, just you write one digit only one time. See how we will write this number. So just you know that how many digits we are having, 0 1 2 3 and so many. You write here greatest number. In greatest number we always arrange the digit in descending order from left to right. Here you see on the left place we have put the greatest value, that is 9 8 7 6 and 5 4 3 2 1 0. In this way we have to write here the greatest number taking each digit only once. Now any digit is not exist, so now this number is completed. We are having only 10 digits from 0 to 9. Next, find the difference between the place value of two fives. You see here how many fives, this one and this one. Difference between the place value. You see this 5 on which place, ones place this, then this tens place. So first 5 is on the 5 tens place. 5 tens means 5 into 10 50. Similarly next 5 is on which place, next 5 is on tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 place. This 5 is on 10,000 place. If it is on 10,000 place, so you multiply it by 10,000, then it becomes 50,000. It means this 5 having the place value 50,000 and this 5 having the place value 50. Now you have to find difference. Difference means I have told you bigger value minus smaller value. Is bigger value what is there, 50,000, and the smaller value here is 50. Subtract from 50,000, you will get here 49,950. Are you understand? Okay, if you understand, we will move on the next question. Write the expanded form of this. Very simple. You have to just first to mention here the position means places of each digit. This is ones, tens, 100 and so on. Now see, this is ones place, you write 5 ones. This is your 100 tens place, so you write 0 tens. This is your 100 plus 300. This is your 5,000 plus, you write 5,000. This is your 10,000 plus, so you write 1 10,000, 1 into 10,000. Next your lakhs place, so you write 4 lakh. L means here lakh, and 1 10 lakh. Okay, 1 into 10 lakh means you multiply 1 into 10 lakh. Then how many 0 you can add here? You see here after this one how many digits, 1 2 3 4 5 6. It means you have to increase here 6 0. Similarly in 4 how many 0 you can increase, 5 0. And similarly in this one 4 0 you place here, we have placed here. This 5 you place 3 0, this 3 you place 2 0. After this 5 there is no 0, and this 0 having no place value, means place value it having tens but its actual value is not. Okay, this is your expanded form. You see this is a very small compact form we have written here, but here is we have right here it's expanded form. Okay, now write the corresponding numeral for this. This is your expanded form is written here. Which one form this is written here? Expanded. We have to write here its numeral. Numeral means it's we have to write here compact form. How we can write? See, you see here this 2 on ones place. So first we make the table like this: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now this 2 on which place? Tens are ones, so this 2 is on ones place, so you write in ones. This one on tens, so you write here. What happens this? Okay, that is very simple question, you do yourself. Now write the numeral 5 crore 3 lakh 26. 5 crore 3 lakh 26. You make a table first like this: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Now 5 crore, you place it in the column of crore. Where is the column of crore? This. You write here 5, and then what is written here? 3 lakh 26. 3 lakh 26. This is a column of lakh. 3 lakh. You write in below column of lakh 3, and here you write 0 because there is no value is given. Next is 26. 26. This 26 you write here, and in these places you put here 0 0 0. Okay, so what is your numeral? This is your required numeral. 5 crore 3 lakh 26. Now next 10,260,075. First you make a column table like this. There is a one period, this is thousand, this is ones, this is millions. In thousand there is in ones there is ones, tens, hundred. In thousand, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. In million there is million and 10 million and 100 million. Okay, but question is telling here 10 million. Where is the 10 million column? Is this one, so you write here 1. Okay, next 200, you write in 260. 200 you write here, no, first you read again it 260,000. 260, this is written here 260,000. 260, how you write? 260, this is your 260, and then it become 260,000. Then after you go on the ones period. In ones period there is no value is given, to you write okay, 75 is given there, so you write here 75. Here is a little bit mistake, you write here 75, and here you also mention here 75. Thank you class, and you do the remaining question at your home.